Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting power and positioning the keyboard on a soft, stable surface to avoid scratches. Use a keycap puller to gently lift the spacebar at one end. This initial pull disengages clips and reveals stabilizer wires. Once done, slide a flat spudger under the edge to support the cap and prevent bending. Make sure to observe which stabilizer style you have. Cherry-style clips and Co-Star wires release differently. Because knowing the mechanism, you should release the spacebar evenly to avoid warping or snapping the stabilizer wire. Begin at one end and gradually move along its length. While lifting, depress or unclip each stabilizer clip with a spudger or fingernail so the wire frees cleanly. Once a clip is clear, lift a little more and repeat at the opposite side. This ensures the cap comes off without stressing the switch stems. Also, note wire orientation and any springs so reassembly is straightforward. You finish by inspecting the stabilizer parts and keycap for damage, cleaning grime with 70% plus isopropyl on a swab, and lubing contact points sparingly if needed. When reassembling, align the wire and springs exactly as they were to prevent wobble. Press evenly until each clip snaps back. Once done, reconnect and test the spacebar to confirm travel and sound. If the key sticks or rattles, check clip engagement and wire seating. Poor alignment is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.